Ever wondered how fighter jets take off from the middle of the ocean?
This giant warship works like a floating airport for military jets.
A powerful launch system accelerates the jet from 0 to takeoff speed within seconds.
The catapult throws the fighter jet forward with enormous force. But landing is even more dangerous than taking off.
Special steel cables stop the jet within only a few seconds.
Inside the carrier, thousands of crew members maintain and prepare the aircraft. These carriers operate day and night in almost every weather condition. This floating airbase is one of the most powerful machines ever built.